Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Ndanu and today I'm back again with another natural hair video. So on today's episode we're going to be making a crochet hairstyle. As you can see, I've already made my lines and that's the technique that I've used, and I'll be using my crochet needle, and this is the hair that I'm gonna be using, sister passion twist. They come in two. A packet has 2 bundles and one bundle has 17 pieces. I'm going to show you here. I'll be counting slowly with you so that you can actually see that each bundle has 17 pieces of the braids. As always, before I install any hair, especially the crochet hair, I love just soaking the hair in a solution just to wash it off, to wash any chemicals off of it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I usually put in just water and a bit of white vinegar, then I let it sit for about an hour or longer, then I rinse it off until the water is completely clear, then I dry it and it's ready to be used. Now I'll just show you how to quickly install the hair. So all you do is insert the crochet needle inside the hole. Every piece of hair has a hole. Then you bring the tip of the hair, lock the latch, then pull it through the hole, and voila, you're done. So it's very simple. So now I'll go ahead and just illustrate it again on my hair. So you put the crochet needle inside your braid, your cornrows, then once the crochet needle is on the other side, you will then now insert the tip of the hair and pull it through the hoop, and voila, that's about it, you're done. So you'll just repeat the process. It's pretty fast. Once you start making your hair, your hand will just get the hang of it, and soon enough it will be very easy, and you'll be able to move pretty fast through the rest of your hairstyle and the head. So I am done with the hairstyle and I am so in love with it. Gosh, doesn't it look nice? I think I just love how I just used the 2 packets. The head is not too full, it is just the perfect size, and the hair is very light. So oh my god, I just feel amazing. Oh, I love this hairstyle. So if you are looking for more full, a fuller look on your head, definitely use 3 or 4 packets depending on your hair and just the style and look that you're going for. But for me, I loved this. It was perfect and it was quick. I didn't take too much time. This is a hairstyle that you can make within under an hour, or at most 1.5 hours. Yeah, so it's really nice, and the hair is light, doesn't feel heavy on your head, and this hairstyle is tension free, so it is a very good protective hairstyle which you can rock for a month or longer depending on how long you usually keep your hairstyles for. So yeah, this is how the back looks like, and oh, isn't it just amazing? It looks beautiful. So see you on the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.